Hello, this is a first look at the Workswell WIC2 thermal infrared camera we've just received in our office. The materials available with this camera are a quick start guide, the full user manual, drawings which include the mounting points, etc., and appropriate software to allow you to drive the camera and take measurements, etc. Having loaded the software and drivers and rebooted the PC, we can now start to run the program. The first step is to load the camera. So we connect, identify and load the drivers. As the drivers load, various functions start to come alive in the user interface. And eventually, once it's fully connected, in the main part of the screen, you'll see the initial thermal image of whatever the camera is actually pointing to. So in this case, it's actually pointing at my head, and you can see that there's quite a clear thermal gradient showing. My glasses are barely registering because they're silver. My lip and my forehead is showing up as quite bright. If I bring a cup of tea in from the right, you now see that my face changes to grey and the cup of tea is very bright. The cursor now shows the spot temperature at that point. Take the cup of tea out of the way and the measurements drop down. This is not a calibrated thermal camera for medical purposes, but it gives you an idea as to the variations you can expect to see over a body of this nature. On the right hand side of the screen you'll see a temperature gradient. If I bring a mobile phone into play, it's a very much cooler, so it shows up as grey. If I bring in a cold bottle, it comes in as black, so it's from that gradient it shows it's about 20 degrees. Thank you for watching this brief overview.